Hi guys, today I've got 3 hairstyles that are perfect for Christmas. To start, we're going to divide the hair in half, and taking that right hand side, we're just going to secure it at the nape of the neck into a low ponytail. Then repeat this on the opposite side. Next, we're going to add a clear elastic band a few inches down on both sides. Add some texture powder all over the top of the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then just gently pinch and pull all around the top of the head to create a bit more volume. Next, taking that ponytail on the right hand side, we're going to make a small hole above that second elastic band, and we're going to pull that left hand ponytail all the way through. Then we're going to just roll that little elastic band under so you can't see it and pin it to the head with a few bobby pins. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. Then to secure this to the head, we're just going to pin along the top with a couple more bobby pins. So we should have a piece of hair hanging down on both sides. So starting with the right hand side, all we're going to do is wrap the hair around a couple of fingers just to create a loop. Push this up to the previous section and secure it to the head using a few bobby pins. And then just repeat this on the left hand side. Now you could leave the bun as it is if you prefer something a little bit neater, but I'm going to add some more of that texture powder and pinch and pull at individual sections of the bun just to give it a bit more messy volume. And here's this simple bun all finished. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Next, we're moving on to a simple half up, half down hairstyle. I've started off with a side parting, and we're just going to gather up the crown area and tie this at the back with a clear elastic band. Now divide off the hair from the ear upwards at the front, and we're just going to bring this around to the back. And we're going to make a small hole with our fingers in the opposite side and pass that hair through the hole. And then just secure this to the head with a bobby pin or two. And we're going to do the same on the opposite side. I'm going to take the hair from the ear upwards, smooth it out and bring it around to the back of the head. Then we're going to create a small hole in the opposite side. Poke our fingers through the hole, grab the hair and pull it through. Then secure this to the head with a bobby pin. Now you can leave this hairstyle smooth, or if you like a bit of texture, take your fingers and gently pinch and pull at all the sections of the hair. And here's the second hairstyle complete. If you liked it, please click the thumbs up. And now moving on to the last hairstyle, which is a low chignon. To start, I've left a few pieces of hair out around the face and just secured the hair into a low ponytail. Just lift that ponytail straight up and press it against the head as close as you can get it. Now we're just going to create a row of bobby pins just to hold that hair in place. Now we're going to push the bottom of the ponytail towards the nape of the neck and secure it with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're going to repeat this on both sides. Next, take those tail ends and split them into a top and bottom section. And we're going to bring the top section over to the left and the bottom section towards the right hand side. Taking that top section, we're just going to wrap it over to the left and tuck it underneath that chignon. Now take the right hand section, bring it under the chignon and pin it to the head. Add some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then just pinch and pull gently at all those sections we've pinned down just to create a little bit of texture. Add some more texture spray all over the top of the head, then just pinch and pull at this hair to get the texture you require. And here's the last hairstyle all complete. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which one was your favourite in the comment section below.